Well, hey everyone out there. I'm Buttermaker. This is my channel, Buttermaker's Bake Sale. And, I just wanted to finally get out there and sing some songs. I've been playing guitar for years, poorly. I never really get much better. Um, but I love playing, I love singing. I've never sang in crowds. I'm shy that way. I've recorded myself a million times, and starting with tape recorders to video cam recorders to now the beauty of phones. And I just want to post some stuff I watch and playing on my three-string guitar box uh, that I made. This is my second one I've made. It's not really a cigar box, but I just bought some wood, found a good neck. Real tricky figuring out the frets as much as you come up with the fret calculator and you check out everyone else's websites or YouTubes of how they build them. And this one, I lost this first fret here. I don't know, in my construction, I can't really play it, but I set up these little fret bars on elastic bands and used my tuner and tried to find each chord, C, A, and do individual ones, and then I placed them, and so it's close. I can't get certain chords, and other certain ones sound a little funny, but again, it's just been me singing, so I love it, and I just kind of want to join the three-string cigar box nation out there. And, I could wait until I learn how to play perfectly, but then I would just never post anything. So I figured for the couple people that see me, don't be embarrassed to get out there. And I'm going to do a bunch of mistakes, I definitely know. And it's not going to be anything great, but it's just fun singing and fun seeing yourself out there. What is it that makes myself a little bit queasy? There's a breeze that isn't just a little bit uneasy. And I've had my lunch out with x-rays. I've left the hospital's hallways. Someday I will have a disappearing hairline. Someday I will pajamas in the daytime. Long pause. Times when a day seems like it's a play by Sartre. When it seems like book burning's in perfect order. And I gave my doctor my description. I tried to stick with my prescription. Someday I'll have a disappearing hairline. Someday I will pajamas in the daytime. Whoa, afternoons will be measured out, measured in coffee spoons and T.S. Eliot. Maybe if I could do a play-by-playback, I could check the test results that I would get back. daytime. Whoa, afternoon will be measured out, measured in coffee spoons and T.S. Eliot. See, yeah, that was pretty messed up, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy playing the songs, and I'll try to do a couple more in time. This is my little recording studio / office. So, anyways, if you like it, smash that subscribe button, as they say. I don't know why I say that, but anyways, all right, until the next one, we'll see you guys later.